Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. I'm on a roll. I, I've been crafting and using stuff that I haven't used in a while. I've been cleaning up my desk, as you can tell. You can see more of it. I used to have just this little portion of my desk um, where it was just driving me crazy. Um, and it's organized. Underneath my table is organized. I'm getting there. So for me, when I am organized and not so cluttered in my room, I mean, it's parts of it is still cluttered with my daughter's college stuff, but my craft area is a little bit more organized, and it gives me freedom to craft more. But anyway, and I'm off for the summer, so that's helpful too. I want to come on and I put in my post tab or whatever on YouTube, and I asked a question of anybody wants to swap Twinchies with me, and I put it out there, and I think only one person liked it. I- Maybe I should have said, yeah, I should have made it a poll or something like yes, no, but I'm coming on to put it out there. Let me know if you want to swap Twinchies. I would love to get a variety of it. I thought I owned the 2 by 2 um what do you call it? 2 by 2 photo sleeves or coin sleeves. I couldn't find it anywhere, so I had to buy a new set. I thought I had like a 10 pack or something, and I I know I'm going to come across it one day, but I can't find it. It looked everywhere. So I bought a new pack and I'd like to fill it up. So if you're interested, send me an email down below and we can swap addresses. And all I'm asking is for two Twinchies in your style, um, in your style. I mean, I'm not picky. And then, in the back, just put your name, um, let's make it simple, just your name, your YouTube channel, and, any other information you wanna add. But just those 2, just your name and your YouTube channel is all I really ask. And let me know in like an email. My email's always down below if you want to send me a message. Um, yeah, so that's all. I wanted to come on. I'm in the middle of making some. I used some what is this? This is a card from Simon Says Stamp, and I had a bunch of them, and so I cut them up by 2 by 2s, and I doubled them up as well, and now I covered the back with index cards. That's why I can write my information down, and then now I'm just covering the front of the Twinchies. So let me know. If not, that's okay too. I'll just continue making Twinchies for Twinchies Tuesday, Twinchy Tuesday. It's like a tongue twister for me. I don't know why. So yeah, guys, let me know if you're interested. If not, that's okay. I'll just keep on trucking. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great Friday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.